Good morning, sir. Welcome to Saratas Hotel. I am Katrina Columna, your butler for the rest of your stay. Allow me to carry your luggage, sir. This way, sir. Sir, please take your seat. Excuse me, sir. May I borrow your identification card for the verification purposes?
Yes, here's my identification card.
For a moment, sir. Good morning, front desk. May I get the list of the arriving guests? May I also get the registration form of the guests? Thank you, front desk. Excuse me, sir. Here is your registration form. Please affix your signature if it is correct.
Yes, it is correct.
For a moment, sir. Excuse me, front desk. May I get the key card of my guest? Thank you, front desk. Sir, shall we go to the room?
Yes.
This way, sir. Sir, your room is located at the 4th floor. Your room is executive suite room. Sir, here in Saratas Hotel, we have restaurants that offer both local and international cuisine. The breakfast starts every 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Lunch starts every 11:30 to 1 p.m. and dinner starts every 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. If you want to swim, the pool is located at the 6th floor. We also have gym located at 6th floor for your wellness and fitness. If you have some business to be done, we have a business center located at the 5th floor. Excuse me, sir. Would you like me to show you how to operate the key card?
Yes.
Sir, if the light is red, it means that the room is under activation and it's not yet ready. If the light is green, it means that the room is ready and all the amenities are ready. After you, sir. Welcome to your executive suite room. It has a king-size bed, 72 inches flat-screen television, a split-type air conditioner, and all the remote controls can be found at the night table. And your bathroom has a jacuzzi.
Thank you for informing me.
Excuse me, sir. Do you want me to unpack your luggage?
Yes, please.
Sir, do you want me to hang it or leave it fold?
Please hang all my clothes.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. If you have some questions and queries, please dial 1 front post office department, dial 2 for housekeeping department, and dial 3 for room service department.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your stay at Saratas Hotel. Balay Service, good morning! Good morning, sir. I am Katrina Columna, your ballet service attendant for today. Sir, do you have any ballet service to be done?
Yes, please iron my clothes.
Okay, sir. Allow me to get your clothes. For a moment, sir. Ballet service! Sir, here's your already ironed clothes.
Thank you.
Sir, here's your ballet service voucher. Please affix your signature, and this will be added to your account. Thank you, sir. Do you have any ballet service to be done?
None.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for availing our ballet service. Butler service, good morning. Good morning, sir. I am here to remind you that today is your checkout day. Would you like me to pack your things, sir?
Yes.
Sir, would you like me to call the front office to process your bill?
Yes.
For a moment, sir. Good morning, front office. Please prepare the bill of Mr. Aquiliano of 201. Thank you, front office. Sir, I already called the front office. Your bill is on process.
Okay.
Sir, shall we go to the front desk?
Yes.
After you, sir. Sir, in terms of payment, would you be paying it by cash or credit card?
Cash.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. How was your stay at Saratas Hotel?
The staff are very hospitable and good ambience. Food is delicious.
Oh, thank you, sir. Please take your seat for a while your bill is on process. Good morning, front desk. May I get the guest folio of the guest? Thank you, front desk. Excuse me, sir. Here is your guest folio. Please verify if all the information is correct.
Yes, it's correct.
Sir, may I get your ID and your payment?
Here's my ID and my payment.
Thank you, sir. For a while, sir. Excuse me, front desk. Here's the payment of Mr. Aquiliano. Thank you, front desk. Excuse me, sir. Here's your receipt. Kindly sign it. And also, may I get the key card? Thank you, sir. Sir, would you like me to call a taxi for you?
Yes, please.
For a moment, sir. Good morning. Please call a taxi for my guest. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Your taxi is waiting outside. Sorry. Thank you for choosing Saratas Hotel. We're hoping for your next visit. Have a nice day.